In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Yahoo account on the computer. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open your browser. I opened Opera browser, but you can basically use any browser. And what you then want to do, you want to search for yahoo.com, just like I did, yahoo.com. Then hit enter and it will search for the website. So for me, this is in Dutch, but this actually means that you have to agree to the terms. So you have to agree and then hit sign in. And now when you sign in, you don't have an account, so you have to click on create an account. And now they're going to ask for your details. So you have to fill in your first name, so I'm going to do that. Just a how to simple account, because that's my channel name. How to simple 00 at Yahoo, that's okay. Then a password, just like this, and then your phone number. So they actually need your phone number to verify that you're not a robot. So you just have to enter your phone number. I already copied mine here, just like this, and then your birth month, the day, the year. Just enter your details. And now the gender, this is optional, so you don't really have to, but I'm doing it. And then hit continue, and they're going to send a verification to your phone number. So you have to hit text me a verification code, and now you have to go to your mobile phone and you get a code. So my code is 883705. So the only thing you have to do is go to your messages on your phone number, from your phone number, and they will send you this 5-digit number, and it will only take like 5 seconds to send. Then you have to hit verify, and now when it's done, you successfully made your Yahoo account. So you can hit done. Now you can go to the inbox by hitting mail, and as you can see, I got the first mail of Yahoo itself, and this is basically how you have to do it. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.